Separate yourself from the rest of the crowd. You don't want to send that same old tired resume. I've seen it a million times. Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lavi. This is the channel where we talk about sales and leadership. If it's your first time here, click the like and subscribe button. It's one small step for you, one giant leap for the YouTube algorithm. Today we're going to talk a little bit about one of my favorite sites, especially around interviewing for a new job. That site is Canva, C-A-N-V-A. Without further ado, let's dive in. I want to show you how it works. As you can see, I'm in Canva right now, and it's so cool. It allows you to search for different templates. Canva is entirely free. I'm going to type in the word resume on the search box. It's going to pull up a ton of free resume options. Look at the amount of options that are here. One of my favorite things to do is make an impression on someone. If I'm looking to interview for a new job, the last thing I want to do is send one of those old school 2-page resumes with no color, no special text, no images. They're just boring, they're tired, and they need to be thrown in the trash. Canva allows you to actually put your own soul into your resume and put your own flavor and color and a little bit of swag into it. I want to show you exactly how one of these works and to show you how simple it is. Remember, this is 100% free. First thing you want to do is if you want to change your photo, you could just click on this generic one, click delete. It'll give you an option to drag and drop any photo you want into here. Everything is drag and drop. So if you don't like where this segment is, you could just move it a little. If you don't like this image, you can move it to the right, you can move it to the left. It automatically corrects all your timing and your spacing for you. If you don't like this image, you can delete it. If you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you don't like this resume template, that's okay. Just go to the left here and swap it out for something else. Feel free to update and use any of these other templates. Canva is one of the coolest sites out there. I really think it's important that we as people who are looking for work, or potentially myself who is an employer who is always hiring new people, separate yourself from the rest of the crowd. You don't want to send that same old tired resume. I've seen it a million times. It doesn't impress me anymore. I promise you that if you take 5-10 extra minutes, design something really cool on Canva, if it helps you get your resume to the top of the stack, that was time well spent.